What's up sa inyo mga pre? Ngayon, special tong vlog na to ni Vika, kami ni Vika, kasi may kikitain kami ngayon mga pre.
We will meet mga pre today, foreigner and not foreigner. Doon sila.
Ito pala sila, nandito na sila eh. Nakatalikod lang sila.
I'm sorry, what will I say? No.
Ayan, nakikita nyo mga pre. Hello!
Hi!
Hello! Oh, nagtatagalog siya?
Oh, onte.
Onte. Bago pala, syempre, papakilala natin sa vlog mga pre. Ayan, papakilala ko sa inyo.
Si Ray Mark. Kasi ito yung fiancé ko na si Elisa.
Ewan ko lang kung tama yung pagkakatanda ko ha. Sabi mo, nagkakilala kayo sa Instagram ni Vika.
Nakita ko siya naka-like. Tapos,
I think I commented.
Parang gano'n.
Then he saw me.
Pero dati galawan ko rin yan. Magche-check ako ng foreigner, tapos sa may mga naka-likes na pictures and photos, tapos i-add ko lahat na nagla-like.
Active sa IG. Pero I never chat Peg, but he's from the Philippines and my stepmother is also Filipina. Maybe I can learn some Tagalog. Just we were friends at first for like 3 months.
Tapos, paano mo kami nakilala?
I wanted to learn Tagalog. Tapos, I found your channel then you're always talking in Tagalog.
Ako, lumabas talaga kayo sa ano lang eh. Pagkabukas ko ng YouTube.
Actually mga pre, si Ray kasi, ano pa lang nakilala ko na yun, nag-chat sa akin yan. Ano pa, before pandemic pa to, after pandemic, kaya siya matagal na siyang nanonood.
Matagal na talaga.
Di ko lang alam kung alam nyo, pero si Elisa, naka-follow din sa page natin, dun sa ano natin, sa group natin, Vika Jean. So dun ko siya nakita, nagko-comment siya dun eh. Pero hindi mo ina-expect na someone will chat you?
No, not at all. Hindi.
Where are you that time?
Sa Germany. Pero I'm working. There's not so much lockdown there.
Dito na kami nagkita ng first time. Pero dapat magkikita kami, 'di ba? Sa Belgium.
I didn't go.
Kung di nyo may tatanong, meron din silang vlog, may channel din sila. Pwede nyo silang i-follow para makita nyo, updated kayo sa kanila.
Elisa and Ray yung channel namin.
So, same lang din sa amin, no? Elisa, search nyo na lang, Elisa and Ray. Kamusta naman Pilipinas para sa'yo, Elisa?
It's super nice. I love it. It's hot, pero I like when I go inside and it's super cold. It feels really good. Yeah.
Okay ka na, no? Nakapag-adjust ka na sa weather dito, no?
Me?
Oh, not so.
Not so.
Hirap talaga sila eh.
What about food here? What do you like from Filipino food? I like sinigang, puto.
Palabok.
May egg sa loob.
Palabok.
Do you like to cook? Yes. I like to cook. If you stay here, like every day, Filipino food or your food? Filipino. Filipino food? Did you try balot? No? Not yet. Do you want to try? I'm scared. I'm scared.
Do you want to try?
I want to try. But when it's in my hand, I'm scared.
Yeah, I also thought that it's fine to try, but when I saw that, no.
With feathers?
No. Yeah, I want to.
Una kami nag-chat January 2020.
So they know each other 3 years. Yeah. How many years are you together already as a couple?
2 years and 5 months.
What about people? Is it different from Germany? People here and there?
Yes. They're super nice here.
What about German? Not so? Just normal?
They're really strict.
And they really don't care maybe about each other?
Yeah, no. In Germany, they don't look at each other. They just
like
do their thing.
Yeah, in Lithuania also like that. How long are you staying now here?
Until Saturday.
How long did you stay?
2 weeks. 2 weeks. I will work a bit, and I will come back in December. Because I want to spend Christmas.
Oh yeah.
Because they said it's really nice.
Never. Oh.
Yes.
It's very noisy. It's very fun. No, yeah, I didn't like at first Christmas here because it's too noisy. Too many people. You cannot rest.
Yeah.
But then you will get used to this, and then it's more fun like that.
So ngayon mga pre, lumabas muna kami kasi napansin namin maganda-ganda yung panahon ngayon eh. Medyo makulimlim ngayon.
Walang sun?
Oo, favorite ni Vika yun eh, no? Yung gantong weather.
Yeah.
How about you, gusto mo yung gantong weather?
Yes,
yung
it's so hot. There's no sun.
Paano mo siya niligawan nun?
Video call lang palagi.
Video call.
Video call?
Every night.
Oh, like we also do.
Pero hindi ka nahihiyang makipag-video call sa kanya nun?
No, not at first. The first 2 video calls, I'm shy. Then we're talking really like personal, private, like best friends already. Yeah.
Because he's really approachable.
Kasi si Bika, nung una naming video call, hindi siya nagsasalita. So, ako lang yung nagsasalita nun. Tapos siya, chat lang siya. Nagka-boyfriend na ba siya ng ibang Asian?
Isang boyfriend German, then my crush is Asian.
Ah!
I have a thing on Asians.
Parehas pala kayo ni Bika.
I also like Asian.
Yeah, when I went here in 2019, I was just joking with my friends that I will get Filipino boyfriend. We're joking. I will come back, I'm married already, like we're joking then. 2020, he's threatening me.
Yeah.
I would have never thought.
Be careful what you wish
never.
for.
You like
We're
dogs?
guessing the breed, yeah. I really
Oh, you like dogs? I also like dogs. You know that I like dogs, right?
No, you don't like dogs.
No, I like dogs depends on how you cook it.
Nice.
Ikaw sa pusa naman, mahilig ka sa puso. Tapos depende rin kung anong luto.
Kung asado.
Kung asado, yun. Gano'ng katagal mong niligawan si Elisa?
3 months.
3 months.
3 months?
And us, how long, honey?
Tayo? Hindi mo alam kung gano'ng katagal?
Just one.
Yeah, just 1 month.
Who said first? Who said first? Like, I like you.
Ako.
Ikaw. Sa'yo, after 1 month.
You
Ako
did,
nga.
the first day.
Oh, the first day, sinabi ko na agad eh. So mga pre, siguro, kayo, malay nyo, pumunta na kayo sa Instagram ni Bika, baka mamaya,
You can hanap there.
mahanap din kayo sa Instagram kasi si Ray nakilala niya lang si Elisa sa Instagram ni Bika. Eh yan, ako gawain ko rin nga yan. Sabi ko nga kanina, gawain ko rin yan. Naghahanap ako dun sa Instagram, di ba?
Alam nyo na yung galawan, guys.
Oo, galawan natin mga Pilipino.
Diskarte tayo.
Oo, diskarte lang. Kasi ang dami nagsasabi, gusto ko rin magkaroon ng girlfriend na
Oo.
foreigner, something like that. Di mangyayari yun kung hindi ka kikilos.
Eh kung aantayin mo dumating, medyo matagal.
Oo,
Hanapin
matagal
mo na.
yan. Oo, ikaw na maghanap. Sabi mo, di ba, na-experience mo magkaroon ng German boyfriend? And now you experience having a Filipino boyfriend.
Yes.
What's the difference?
Much more caring sa Filipino, saka malambing.
Malambing.
Oo, malambing.
Why? Why you laugh?
No, because I think it's true. Because
You think?
no, I didn't experience.
Ano?
No, I didn't experience with not Filipino, diba?
Oo, kasi she never had a boyfriend from her country.
They understand, like even if you have problem, they will listen. And I don't know if I can talk for every Filipino, but he's not shouting at me, getting mad fast. Germans can be really aggressive sometimes. Like they will shout, they will away with you like super fast, and he will just accept. He will talk. If we fight, he's really patient. Patient.
I think Filipino have a big patience.
Big patient?
Even you have a lot of patience.
Yan daw yung ano natin yung pinakamaganda raw sa ating mga Pilipino, yung mapagpasensya tayo. Kaya wag natin tatanggalin daw yan. Kung gusto niyo ng foreigner na girlfriend, yan dapat nasa inyo daw yan. Yun pala yung ginugusto nila. Siguro kaya nasasabing mapagpasensya yung Pilipino kasi nag-aaway kayo, let's say you're having a fight, and us, we will just think, parang mas mahihirapan kasi mag-iisip pa kami ng Tagalog eh. Tatahimik na lang kami. We will just keep quiet.
Minsan mas okay na lang na hindi
Oo,
mag-explain.
tahimik ka na lang.
Wag
Nasakit
mag-explain.
pa ulo mo eh.
Kasi iisip ka pa eh.
Oo, mag-iisip ka
Tatranslate mo
pa ng iyo. Tatranslate mo pa sa utak mo.
Oo, tapos pag tinranslate mo, mali pala. Eh di lalong nag-aaway.
So when you are in a fight, usually you don't notice that you're already speaking German to him.
Yeah, sometimes I want to say something, but I cannot because when you're mad, you just want to say it.
Yeah.
Likewise.
So, but then you have to translate muna in your head. So yeah, but yeah, when I'm mad, bagong gising, I would say something in German. He's like, you're talking in German.
How do you find a Filipino accent?
It's cute. Yeah.
Kailan yung pinakamatagal na away nyo?
Dati like 2 years ago, when he was in the call center, he didn't have time kasi anong work hours dati?
11 p.m. to 8 a.m.
He's super pagod that time, so we
Puyat,
can.
puyat.
Yeah, and me, I'm working also, but and then we also have the time zone differences.
Okay.
So that time we fight a lot. Kasi
No time
if you
for
don't
each
have
other.
time for me, or you don't also have time for me, then yeah, that of course not all the time, but less than maybe 2 weeks. The most important is that when you go to sleep, you say I love you. That's for me. That's super important.
Yeah.
You cannot go to sleep without saying I love you, good night, because I will not feel good.
Anong difference sometimes sa German
Yeah.
usually?
6
hours?
summertime.
So it's just the same. Sino yung usually nag-a-adjust? Siya.
Siya.
Kaya kong hindi matulog eh.
Sa bagay. Parang normal sa atin yun mga Pilipino. Kasi Siya,
Malibang ka lang sa kunwari.
Kasi
Oo.
nasa bahay siya. Nasa work ako, so you adjust more.
anong sinasabi ng mga friends mo? Kasi ikaw, you have a Filipino boyfriend. Are they also asking if yung kamusta having a Filipino boyfriend, or they're also feel like they want also like that?
They see that it's hard, LDR. So they don't want.
They don't want
They
because
don't
it's
want.
LDR.
Because they see how much we struggle. So
they
time
don't want.
difference. So they feel sad for me that it's that hard.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. But they would like if the distance is not that much.
That'd
Say
be fine.
Filipinos are handsome, they
Oh,
look
yeah,
good,
yeah.
but the one thing that hinders them is the distance. Yeah, LDR lang. Yeah, it's hard.
You just said that Filipino are handsome. Are you worrying that what if he will go to your country?
Yes.
Si Vika ganun din. Because I said to her like, so beautiful like that. I always tell her every day. She said that my face is just normal.
Yeah.
Normal in my country. So what if you will come to my country? Well, you can easily,
Yeah.
tag dito, parang
Yeah.
papalitan mo ako.
Because you didn't see other white girls, so
Yeah.
I'm jealous when he's going to the airport in America, and I feel like, and that's when we didn't see each other yet.
Ah.
But I wanted to be the first like foreigner he will see.
Ah.
So I said, don't look at the girls.
Nasa harap mo madadaanan mo. Kaya syempre, alangan na pumikit ka.
Mga pala mga pre, meron silang video rin na first meeting nila. Pwede nyo i-check sa channel nila yun para malaman. Anong naramdaman nyo nung unang kita nyo?
Gusto ko umiyak pero naano ko Ayoko ipakita naman na iiyak ako. Gusto ko kasi tinatago ko yung iyak ko, yung pag-iiyak. Nakita ko na siya medyo malayo pa lang. Parang umikot na ako sa likod
Yeah, he came from behind, then he's walking towards
Kasi siya
me.
lang
I
yung
didn't see him.
siya lang yung maputi
But then he hugged me so tight, and then I felt like all my nervousness is gone. And he has like perfume. It smells so good.
What about Germany's girl? Do they care about the looks of a guy? Like, is it it should be so handsome or just normal? Do they care about it?
Yeah, they care.
Ah, they care?
But of course, personality
Comes first.
first. Like they can look handsome, they can have money, but
the
if you
personality is bad.
don't treat me right, you can go. Like, yeah, they're like that.
Kalibika talaga, hindi nagtitingin sa sa itsura.
iniisip ko hindi naman ako gwapo
Kaya nga, ako rin di ba pareha kami. Sinasabi
Diba?
ko rin, hindi naman ako gwapo, bakit ang tingin nila? Siguro pag in love talaga
For
sa'yo.
us,
Yeah.
for us, you are
Yeah.
handsome.
Yeah.
exotic ba ako? Parang gano'n
Am I exotic?
Yeah, you're exotic. No,
Ah,
iba. If
iba.
I compare to you to Lithuanian, of course you are so exotic.
What I like is eyes, like it's
Yeah.
Asian, and
Yeah.
then the nose, it's so cute. I think.
They're maliit like that.
Sa country nyo, hindi problema kung maputi yung lalaki. Almost lahat kasi maputi sa inyo.
Halos lahat.
Because
if you're white, you get I get bullied.
See, I told you why.
You don't go to the beach.
Yeah.
Do you have money? Even if you don't get brown,
Yeah.
like you cannot get tanned, but they will laugh at you like, oh, you didn't go to.
Like, it's not good to be so white.
Yeah, yeah,
You have
they
to
like to
get
tan.
tan. Yeah.
Kasi here in Philippines, they see a guy handsome usually
white.
when he's white. And ngayon parang nagbabago yung generation na they like more yung tan lang yung kulay
Kaya
kasi
nga,
it's
like-
more
Tayo manggay, parang-
no, it's
Looks
more
good.
manly.
Yeah, yeah,
It's more
it looks
manly than
manly.
white.
For me, it's like I like it when it's tan. So in Germany, lots of guys they have blonde hair. They're super white. Then
Like pinkish already.
yeah, they're pink. Then I don't like it. It's not my type.
Ayan, kaya sabi ko sa inyo, kung kayo hindi kayo maputi, huwag kayo mawala ng pag-asa.
Kung nag-aabang dyan, huwag nyo na hintayin.
Oo.
Hanapin nyo na.
Mas okay pa nga yung ganun kaysa maghanap ka sa sa dating sites eh. Pag naghanap ka sa dating site, parang tingin ko mas mahirap, mas hindi sila seryoso. Madalas ang nangyayari sa dating site, parang they just want someone to talk to, like that. Pero yung relasyon, hindi ko alam kung maglalas yung relasyon doon. Kasi ako si Bika, hindi ko naman siya sa dating site nakita eh. Friend lang ng foreigner. So si Raiden, ganun din yung sa kanya. Kasi mas parang
Instagram.
totoo yun.
Just
Baka meron
fun.
pa no?
Baka meron pa.
Oo, hanap kayo sa IG ni Bika, tapos check nyo kung may mga nag-like na foreigner. Tapos, pag na-check nyo, chat
Chat,
nyo.
at least try.
Siguro, baka mamaya yung true love nyo nasa foreigner talaga.